Hey folks, this is KVUSMC or Kenneth W Viar Jr. Same thing. But I just wanted to let you know I'm getting some trees cut down. Loblolly pines, and they've been there since about 1980. But they're big. But yeah, it's time to cut them down. Them guys, they super work. Maynor Yates. I'll put a picture of his card on there and give you a link to the description. He does licensed, insured, bonded, all that stuff. But here's one of his guys up the tree that's cutting along. Doing a great job. Super great. All right. All right, puppy, it's okay. That's Ruby in the background. And they got the wood chipper right here. You see? It's, you can see it. Miss out there. You stay. Bring the phone inside here. I don't want the dog. If the dog got out, y'all must forget about watching me on YouTube anymore. Because my wife will. Whoo! I'll be done with. I put it that way. Ooh, yeah. Y'all saw that. All right, but yeah, they're just coming down, taking limb by limb and doing their thing. But I'll come back later. But if you notice, that's going to give me more solar, more wind. But every time I get an ice storm or a hurricane, it seems like they just want to, I've been watching for years. Like, got the building over there, as you see. Got the Playhouse there and got the solar shop there. So not a good match. And plus my neighbor behind me will be really happy because she's tired of the limbs flowing in the yard from after every storm. And anyway, you gotta do what you gotta do. I want to make my neighbors happy and everybody, try to make everybody happy, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's me. The kind of neighbor that you'd like to have for a place to stay for power, backup power, and the kind of guy you'd like to have just plant a big garden so I can feed the whole neighborhood. That's me. All right, y'all. But we'll be back shortly with the progress. All right. All right. Bye-bye. Hey, folks. How y'all doing? We got Ruby barking in the background. And we're getting trees cut. We're getting trees cut. All right, look here behind me. All right. Coming around. All right. There we go. And she can't stop barking for nothing in the world. But there they are. Some things are getting Maynor Yates, man. He gets it done. I'll give you a link below on what's going on and all that good stuff. So they are getting it done. So, oh yeah, I'm excited. All right, y'all, we'll be back shortly for some more updates. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. One tree down. Well, almost one tree down, and two more to go. All right, y'all. We'll be back shortly. All right, now. Bye-bye. Good job. Okay, folks. This is an update on Maynor Yates Tree Service. Yates Tree Service. They have done an awesome job. They got the log. They're gonna bring the tractor back tomorrow with the grappling hooks for the forklift, and they will get the logs. And anyhow, they stacked the wood up nice and neat. Look at that. Oh yeah, and I got plenty of wood to burn for a while. But y'all, probably some of y'all saying, y'all, you burn pine? I said, the Viar 94 hybrid waste oil wood burner does not discriminate any kind of wood. It burns anything. It don't matter. And I burn a hot fire and creosote, don't have a chance. And that sand's still stacked right there, as you can see up there. Yeah. So anyway, y'all, I'll be back for an update tomorrow of how good they cleaned up. And I'm impressed so far. Them guys work really hard. They rock. All right, folks, we'll be back. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, y'all. Good morning. We are getting the logs up, and it's going pretty good. They're grabbing them logs up to put them on the truck, which is over here. There you go. Big logs. There we go. Got a nice caterpillar. Yeah, we hear you, puppy. Caterpillar skid steer. Yeah, I know, baby. It's all right. That's a big one there. Got it. Oh yeah. Ruby. Oh yeah, it's about all of them. That's a full truck right there. All right. There she is, y'all. Ruby wants to get on there. How you doing, Ruby? Yeah. Good guard dog. But I think that's the last log. Excuse me. Let you later on when the owner gets here, I'll let you meet him. He is top-notch good guy. Right. All right, y'all. We'll be back here shortly.